Hey, this is Canon Vickery, and today I'm going to be doing activity 3.6, chapter 3, activity 6, creating and applying a quota template. So to do this, we're going to be on our 4.11 server 1. So we're going to start off, we're going to go to our tools, we're going to go to our file server research manager console. We're going to expand quota management. Let's click quota templates, and you can see the list of defined templates in the middle pane. So we're going to go ahead and create our own. So we're going to create a quota template. And so if you see here, you notice we have the option we can copy properties from a quota template from previous ones that were created. So yeah, we're gonna, for our template name, it's gonna be MKT quota. That's not how you spell quota. Quota. And in the description, it's going to be quota for marketing share in the description box. We're going to set our space limit 20 megabytes. Beep. And we're going to leave it on the default of hard quota. Don't allow users to exceed the limit. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a threshold notification. Let's see, what do we want to set this to? Let's see. We're going to have it send an email to the administrators and send an email to the user who exceeded the threshold. And we're just going to leave this as the basic here. If we come to the event log, here we can specify, yeah, that's fine. Even if there's not actually an SMTP email server, and so I guess though we can't actually use those, but if there was one, we'd use the email. Here in the event log, we can specify creating a warning event, which you can customize like the notification messages. The event is created in the application log with the event ID 1232 by an event source of SRM-SVC. You view this log with event viewer in the generate notification when usage reaches %. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in 50 here and send warning to event log. We're going to go to the command tab next. Here we can specify the command script should run when the threshold is exceeded. For example, I could specify a script that deletes all temporary files. So here we're going to come to report. Here I can specify generating a storage report if the threshold is exceeded and emailing reports to selected administrators. So if I ever go over the threshold, it'll be like, email it to the admins and the person who did it. That's in the email message. And if I want to go to report, it'd make a report, and I could tell it to send reports to which reports to send and who to send them to. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and just cancel out of this. That's what it tells me to do. So we're not going to actually keep any of those settings that we made. But you know, future reference, that's some stuff that we would do. So we're going to go ahead. We're just going to click OK. That should be a new quote. MKT quota, 20 megabyte, and a hard quota type. So now that we have a custom template, we can create a quota from it. So we right click it, and we'll create quota from template. So now we're gonna take a path, and we want to take it to this PC local disk, and I believe we want to take it to MKT docs. And we want to create quota on path, and that's the default setting. So let's go ahead and just hit create. And now, let's see, I believe if I come into, yeah, it does show it there. So now, we're going to test this out. We're going to open this up. We're going to navigate to our C Windows, System 32. We need to find the TW, this one. Oh, no, not that one. TWI. Okay, TWI. Which one of these do I need? I need, and let me try this again. GWINUI .dll. This one. This is what I'm looking for. Okay. Which is a little bit less than 13 megabytes. We're gonna copy it. And well, and this is testing out. We could use anything that's between 10 to 20 megabytes would do. So now we're gonna come back to our docs. We're gonna paste it, and we should have just exceeded the 50% threshold. So now, we are going to rename this just as, let's just put a 1 at the end. Now let's paste it again. Oh, it says that there is not enough space. So that's good. So it's working right so far. Let's close that. Minimize. So let's go to our tools and go to Event Viewer. Expand our Windows logs. Ouch. Application. I'm just gonna full screen this. It's easier to see. Oh, so you can see, let's see. There's our event IDs. Windows logs, quick application. I should see the warning event with the 1, 2, 3. That's strange. I'm not seeing. For 127. Not seeing any these like that. And the source should be one of these. Logic W DS server. ESS, VMware tools, VM upgrade. I wonder if I didn't give enough time. Let me try putting it in there again. Paste. Okay. Now, tools, event viewer, Windows logs, application. It's really weird. It's supposed to be showing up, but it's not showing up as to the event viewer. I wonder if that's because it had us cancel that before. That's weird. I wonder why it had us cancel the. I remember going through when I was setting up the quota, the reports thing. It had me click it and then it had me cancel. Well, anyways, if you don't cancel it there, it would show up here. At least I know why it didn't show up, so that's good. But anyways, that's basically everything for this uh, activity. Um, so we got a little bit more, so we're just gonna go to our quota management, click quotas. I showed this earlier, but as you can see here, 62% is being used. We're gonna go to just delete the quota though. Yeah, delete it. I believe now. Take this, scroll back down. Oh, whoops, didn't mean to open PowerShell. Cool, so there. Alright, well, that's everything for this activity. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section, I guess. Alright, that's all. Canada Victory. I'm out.